Welcome to the next basic skills video for Geology 101. In this one, we are learning how to calculate a rate. Now, a rate is really just a comparison between two different measurements. So in this case, I have quite a simplified version of it. We are going to have something comparing a distance, 50 kilometers, comparing that to a time, 10,000 years. So anytime we are doing this, we are going to be able to have a few different rates. So we could have distance over time, which is going to lead us with the units kilometers per year, or we could have years per kilometer. Now, I will say it's really weird having years be the unit on top, because this is saying we are comparing years as depending on something else. That's not typical. So I would tend to avoid that type of thing. Now, I think it's easy to think about kilometers per year because these are nice, easy numbers to work with. So you could take a calculator and plug it in, but really all that we are doing is dividing. So if you are skilled, you can do 50 kilometers divided by 10,000 years. And I'll be honest, I tend to try to leave the units off of the actual numbers. So I would write this instead as 50 over 10,000. And then off to the side, I would write kilometers over years. This makes it way easier in my head to do the math and then worry about those units later. That way you're not going to drop one off doing all of your work. So if I were to end up converting or calculating this, 50 divided by 10,000 ends up being 0.005, and then my units don't simplify at all. So I would end up with kilometers per year. Now, this doesn't mean a lot to me, so if I wanted to get crazy, I could convert that over to centimeters per year, or inches per year, or some unit that I'm actually more familiar with in a scale that makes more sense. 0.005 kilometers per year is about that much distance. It's not very much distance at all, but that is actually close to the rate that some tectonic plates have moved. So this is what my final answer would be, 0.005 kilometers per year. Or if I were to end up doing a unit conversion and ask that, that would be about 5 centimeters per year.